Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. I've got a powerful message that I want to share with you, and that message is you are capable of amazing things. It's a mini lesson. It's information from my personal growth and development course, okay? And of course, that course is attached to an amazing business opportunity. So stay tuned because I've got some powerful things I want to share with you. Okay, now before we get into the mini lesson for today, just want to share with you a couple thoughts here, just a couple. And right here, it says our personal transformation mini course is now equivalent to 35 Word document pages. Folks, our course is dynamic and progressive, and it continues to grow and be developed. Okay, so we've got some very, very powerful, life-changing lessons, some life-changing information for you. Just wanted you to know that. And also, my question for you is, how would you like to receive multiple $100 payments direct to you? It's all about the direct payments. It's all about you, and it's all about blessings, okay? So please take a moment to think about that. All right. So now let's get into this incredible mini course for this video today. You are capable of amazing things. Man, you are capable of amazing things. When I was younger, I recognized that I had, certain talents and gifts, but I always felt inadequate in some way. I felt I was not enough. I felt less than. I felt not as good as other children and other people, etc., And when I became a young adult, those feelings became magnified. And my blueprint, the picture of myself, was distorted. And therefore, what I believed about myself was distorted as well. You see, sometimes our beliefs imprison us and deny us access to what is real, even the truth about ourselves. You see, it's not who you are that holds you back. It's who you think you're not. And Robert Louis Stevenson says, be what you are and become what you are capable of becoming. You see, you are capable of amazing things. We must be willing now to come to a place of self-awareness. Self-awareness being having the ability to accurately perceive, to understand, and to evaluate one's self. And that's just touching the surface of self-awareness. And we go through this in the course because it's very powerful when we are more aware of ourselves. You see, we can only change our lives to the extent that we can change our thinking, and by having a dynamic vision for our futures. Stephen Covey said, in our personal lives, if we do not develop our own self-awareness and become responsible for first creations, we empower other people and circumstances to shape our lives by default. We've got to develop our own self-awareness. And again, I've got to say this because we cover this in the course very heavily. Look, if you feel in your soul that the picture you have of yourself is wrong, then please know that it is wrong. I've got to say that one more time because I don't want anybody to miss that. If you feel in your soul, I'm talking about deep down, man, in your soul. If you feel in your soul that the picture that you have of yourself is wrong, please know that it is wrong. It's time for some self-investigation. Never settle for false truths about yourself. Why? Because it's very vital, it's very important that we learn to live authentically, okay? We must not be anything less than what we are capable of, or we will more than likely be unhappy all the days of our lives. Les Brown said this: don't underestimate yourself. You are capable of more than you can imagine. You are capable. Believe me when I tell you this. You are capable of amazing things. Okay, look, and I'm getting ready to say goodbye, but even if you don't want to do the business, get the course. Get this course and get the benefits of being a part of our program. Because, man, there's some things that's coming down the pike that's incredible. But you got to check out the website. You got to go and find out and see everything that we're offering through this program. $100 out of pocket, okay? And you become part of our system, our program. And I guarantee that if you're looking to change your life, you will, okay? Because we need to be reminded that we are capable of amazing things, that there is greatness within each and every one of us, okay? So grab the link in the description area of this video and get started today. If you don't want to do the business, you don't have to do the business, but get the course, because the course is progressive, it's dynamic, it's ever growing, and it is powerful. And boy, there's so much that we have to offer you, okay? So I'm Terry Brown. I'm saying we'll see you soon, okay? Bye-bye now.